I feel sometimes like I have to get everything done in one day, and then it gets overwhelming. Gosh, all the power just went out. I totally forgot I even had something in the oven. If we haven't met before, I'm Allison, and I love creating a variety of content. I post a video each week, and sometimes I bring you along on my travels as a flight attendant, and other times we stay closer to home as I cook up some comedy in the kitchen. Don't waste the sun is my motto, and I would love to have you all come along. So like and subscribe, hit that bell notification at the top of the page, and let's get cleaning. Well, hey friends, I'm so excited to have you guys come along today. I haven't been home hardly at all. I've been flying a lot more this month, and so that has caused things in my home to get really out of control. I haven't even unloaded my dishwasher from like a week ago. So today I'm going to start the spring cleaning process and get those odds and ends done that I've been putting off for so long. And if you want to join me, go ahead, get up, and let's start cleaning. So I'm actually going to start with my porch because I just have really neglected it. I'm just making sure there's no spiders in it before I bring it in.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the ground.
I'm gonna put this back out there, but it needs a little trim. So I've showed you before that I love my string lights. It just adds like such a nice little bright element. And so I just get like the extra pack of the bulbs, and then I just replace them when they need it.
Dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond.
I feel sometimes like I have to get everything done in one day, and then it gets overwhelming. But if you just start one thing, like even just doing the deck, that gave me motivation to keep going. So I think we have to remember sometimes that we don't have to get everything done. We can just do little pieces. Now we're gonna work on the kitchen.
It's night in the city, and I'm on my way back home. Humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like Natalie Cole. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. Let's see where this all might lead.
I'm actually gonna start dinner, and I'm just gonna make the simplest dinner. I don't love to cook. You know how it is, right? Look how much rosemary I picked. I think I'm having rosemary salmon. Put some parchment paper on this tray. Bought these little potatoes the other day, so I'm gonna use these and the bell peppers, like roast them, I guess. I don't know. I've never done it before. We'll see how it works. last Sunday was the time change. I think this video is gonna go up in like 2 weeks, so you'll be adjusted by then. I don't feel it at all. I was in Boston that weekend before, and so I was so tired because I'd done that red-eye flight and everything that by the time they had daylight savings time, I think I finally felt adjusted. If you haven't seen it, go watch that video. It was not like my other videos because it was not like a trip like I normally have. Thankfully, I just got my schedule for April and there's no red eyes on that. I can't do them. They're just too much for me. Pot. I feel like he needs more like room to grow. So I'm gonna try to see if maybe he'll go in a different one. It's not burning, so I think it's okay. All right, let's try to repot these flowers. These are just odds and ends that I needed to get taken care of today. You don't always want to do them, but when you get done with them, you feel so accomplished. Okay, there's one. The issue is because it's too small. Oh yeah, he does not have enough space, guys. That's what it is. I never realized how expensive plants could be because you constantly have to buy new pots for them. They do grow and they change and they give you new things to look forward to. This is why I'm not the best cook. I totally forgot I even had something in the oven. Okay, so I was like, oh, it smells good in here. Oh my gosh, it's my food that I'm cooking. I think it's good. I won't forget about it now. I just have to clean up this mess. Probably just a few more minutes and then dinner will be done. It's like 4:50, so it's a very early dinner. All right, I knew I needed to do dishes because I had to actually get my holiday cups out. That's how many dishes I hadn't done. Be careful when you're taking things out. The power just went out. I think something must have gotten in the power line. Girl who lives downstairs from me says that the transformer blew across the street from us. So I guess we're just gonna like start on things that don't need to have power. I can definitely get some dusting done.
I saw the flashes in the dark, colors on the wall, bright against the monochrome, where I felt so small. I drew the curtains up, pulled away the blinds, heard a rushing wind through the windows of my mind, and I began to glow with a love divine. Shine, 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 shine in the naked light of Attendant.
I have to say, it's kind of amazing how much I'm getting done while the power is out. But I think what I normally do is I go between vacuuming and dusting and vacuuming and cleaning. Vacuuming and cleaning and dusting, and I'm realizing now that if I just stuck with like just dusting, I can actually get it done faster. Let's go put this guy in his home. I'm really glad I didn't take the bedding apart today, which I was gonna do. And I was gonna show you this. This is a painting of my town. I don't like the mat, so I'll change that, but isn't that cool? I got this the other day. Some lady was trying to get rid of it, and I've actually been looking for this for a long time because I had just put it in my cart the day before because it was something I really wanted. And I thought about it for a long time. It's like the right size and everything. That is the plan, to hang that up somewhere kind of for my spring decor. I just think it's so gorgeous. No one has showed up to fix the transformer that blew. And I'm not even sure anybody called. I didn't call. Oops, maybe I should. Oh my gosh, they just came on as we were speaking. Just gonna say that I was gonna get a cup of coffee, but now we can just go ahead and have a cup of coffee. It's almost 7 o'clock here and it is still light out. With each new minute of daylight added and my flowers beginning to bloom, spring gradually builds the anticipation for long summer nights and warmer weather here in the Pacific Northwest. And it can become easy to dream of the future, but often I've found that looking too far into the future is when I can get overwhelmed by thinking of all the things I need to get done. So this spring, I'm reminding myself to slow down and be more present in the moment, because the moments become the hours, days, weeks, and years of our lives. Oh, and as for the power outage, well, that was all due to, let's call him Edward, the Edmund Squirrel, who got caught in some electrical equipment and reminds us all of how things can change in an instant. Don't waste the sun. So, happy spring, everyone. I love you guys all so much. Bye.